This is the bamboo cutting board care kit, available with any bamboo cutting board. The perfect complement for your cutting board gift, whether it's a closing gift, a housewarming present, or a wedding gift. The mineral oil allows the recipient of the gift to clean, protect, and preserve their bamboo cutting board, so it really helps the gift last longer. It comes with an ounce of Revitalizing mineral oil, care instructions on how to care for the cutting board, as well as a bag to keep them all in. Usage is easy. You just put some oil on the board and wipe it down, let it dry, and then rinse it off. This is a great way to add some value to your gift and give the recipient a little bit of extra pop when you get it to them. The cutting board oil also works on other woods and wood utensils. Check it out at LazerDesigns.com and add it on to your cutting board order today.